Ahoy, Pirates of the Caribbean enthusiasts! Today, we embark on a thrilling voyage into the seas of rumors surrounding the legendary Captain Jack Sparrow. I'm your host, and together we'll unravel the mysteries of Pirates of the Caribbean 6, Demons of the Corsair. Feast your eyes on this viral Facebook post claiming to be the official announcement for the sixth installment. Behold the attention-grabbing poster featuring none other than Johnny Depp himself, donned in his iconic Jack Sparrow attire against a fiery backdrop. But hold on to your tricorn hats, savvy viewers. A closer inspection of the title, Demons of the Corsair, suggests a fan-made creation. We'll dive deep into the font choices, raising questions about the authenticity of this supposed announcement. Brace yourselves, shipmates. Whispers abound of Geoffrey Rush's return as the notorious Hector Barbossa. The excitement is palpable, but can we trust this detail, or are we navigating uncharted waters of fan speculation? Navigate your calendars, ye landlubbers. The rumored release date for Pirates of the Caribbean, Demons of the Corsair, is set for 2025. Yet, with no official confirmation from Disney, are we charting a course for jubilation or steering into the doldrums of disappointment? Now we talk gold. Rumors swirl of Disney extending a staggering $301 million offer to Johnny Depp for his triumphant return. A pirate's bounty indeed. But beware, me hearties, as the studio has refuted these claims, leaving us in suspense. Recall when Captain Jack Sparrow himself declared departure during the legal tempest with Amber Heard? Allegations of Disney abandoning ship and whispers of unprofessional behavior filled the sails. Has the tide turned? Or are we still in the eye of the storm? Set your anchor and join the discussion, Buccaneers. Share your thoughts on these rumors in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Pirates of the Caribbean updates. Until our next adventure, may your compass always point to excitement on the high seas. Arr!